So this US 30 analysis for Thursday, the 1st of March. Now, let's have a look at where prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we had price come up towards this 25,800. We've had prices stall, seen sell side momentum come back in, sell side momentum come into this market. We had this larger pin bar, which would have been a likely sign that we were like due some weakness in this market. We've had prices sell off down towards this 25,439 in around 25,439. We had a brief consolidation before we had a push up towards that 25,600. After which we did see this sell side momentum come back into the market almost immediately. Prices then traded beneath the 25,439. From there, we also saw prices head up towards that 25,439 for a test, after which we did see the sell side momentum continue to the downside. Now we've come and tested the 25,101. And we do appear to be holding, do appear to have rejected that level. So we are looking for price head down towards the 400 period moving average. If prices do head down towards the 400 period moving average, it's currently sitting in around the 24,885. If we do successfully break there, we'll be looking for see our prices react in around the 24,864. Major level marks out here in River. We do see that bullish bias momentum take us back up towards that 25,000 or possibly up to 25,101 or 25,243. Beyond 25,243, we'll be looking for price head up towards that 24,439. Now, if we do see the break, however, to the downside of the 24,864, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 24,700, 24,650, and 24,550. Now, those are pretty much the levels we'll be looking at here on the US 30. As you can see, this previous swing low over here aligns almost perfectly with this almost lines perfectly with the level over here if we do see sell off back into those levels. Now, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. We could have a brief look at the high time frames just to see how price is developing. So let's get rid of these charts removed. And what we can see here is we've had the highs over here. We've had a very strong sell-off, a recovery, pullback from the moving average here, which was acting as it does appear to be holding descending resistance for a price constriction squeeze, and we did see a break to the upside. Now we are seeing the pullback now at present, and we are poised for a third day of bearish momentum here. Price for a third day of bearish momentum could potentially see us could potentially see prices head to this previous swing low here in the market. Currently in and around the 24,630. So if we were to have a look at our charts, just bear with me a second here. There we go. So if we were to have a look at our charts, we were saying that those lows, we were saying 24,650, wasn't it? So we got 24,650. So we'll see how prices react in around those levels. Here on the daily chart, if we do see a pretty strong retracement down towards that 24,650, but I think I've rambled on enough in this video. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis overall. Just a brief summary. It does appear that there has been a somewhat decisive, I wouldn't say it's decisive, we don't know for sure, but it does seem to be a shift in momentum here on the US 30, especially due to the fact that we have had a sizable retrace. Yes, despite having this sizable move to the upside, we've retraced quite a bit of it, and we do not look poised for further. We do not look poised for further upside continuation. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.